Hello friends. I hope you all are doing great. Today I've got a new video for you. This is a complete t-shirt mockup tutorial, and I hope you'll find it useful. And, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So, let's get started. This is the t-shirt I'll be using for mockup. First, make a copy of this layer. While the layer is selected, hold Ctrl+G on the keyboard to create a group. Now, select the background copy layer and make a selection of the t-shirt. I'm using the quick selection tool for this step. Make sure the selection is accurate. So far, the selection looks quite good. Next, select the group layer and click on Add a Layer Mask. Hold Ctrl and click on the group layer mask thumbnail to select the t-shirt. Now, select the background copy layer. Press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V to make a copy of the t-shirt. Rename this layer to T-shirt Mockup. Make it invisible for now. Again, hold Ctrl and click on the layer mask thumbnail to select the t-shirt. Select the background copy layer. Go to Select menu and click on Color Range. Pick the white part of the t-shirt, the brighter color. Click OK. Only the brighter color is selected. Click on Create New Fill. Click Solid Color and fill with white. Name this layer Brighten. Decrease the opacity to 0. Hold Ctrl and click on the group layer mask thumbnail again to select the t-shirt. Select the background copy layer. Go to Select menu and click on Color Range. This time, select the darker color of the t-shirt. Click OK. Click on Create New Fill. Choose Solid Color. Fill with black. Name this layer Shadow. Set the opacity to 0. Now, let's create the color mockup. Select the background copy and take a solid color layer above. Adjust the opacity of the brighten layer accordingly. Do the same for the shadow layer. Bring the t-shirt mockup layer below the shadow layer. Right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Double-click on the smart object and a new window will open. Go to File. Select Place Embedded. Choose your logo or image, click Place. Resize it according to the t-shirt size. Make the t-shirt mockup layer invisible in this window. Go to File. Click Save and close the new window. We can see the logo nicely placed on the t-shirt. Adjust the opacity of the brighten and shadow layers as needed. To change the t-shirt color, double-click on the color fill thumbnail and choose any color you like for the t-shirt. Our mockup is ready. Save it as a PSD file. Next time, if you want to change the logo, simply double-click on the smart object. Go to File. Select Place Embedded. Choose a new logo or image, and click Place. Resize it. Make the previous logo invisible. Close the window. Yes to save. The new logo is perfectly placed. We can adjust the opacity of the brighten and shadow layers if necessary. We can also change the t-shirt color anytime. So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.